In the previous video, we have discussed about the history of computers and generations of computers. Now, we will discuss about the characteristics and limitation of computers and we will do some question and answers. Now, characteristics of a computer. Number 1, speed. As we know, computer can work very fast. It takes only few seconds for calculations that we take hours to complete. Number 2, storage. The computer has an inbuilt memory where it can store a large amount of data. Number 3, versatility. It means the capacity to perform completely different types of work. Number 4, accuracy. The degree of accuracy of computer is very high and every calculation is performed with the same accuracy. Number 5, diligence. A computer is free from tiredness. It can work for hours without creating any error or mistakes. Now, limitations of computers or disadvantages of computers. Number 1, computers cannot think by itself and does not have common sense. Number 2, computers has no learning power. Computer cannot perform the task without instructions given by humans. Number 3, lack of feeling is another limitation of computers. It does not have emotion, feelings, knowledge, etc. This completes our chapter number 1, Evolution of Computers. Now, let us do some question and answers. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Who is known as the father of computers? Why? Answer. Charles Babbage invented a machine called analytical engine, which is a model of today's computers, full stop, since he was the first person who gave us the basic idea of computers. He is known as the father of computers. Number 2, write the important feature of fourth generation of computers. Answer. The important feature of the fourth generation of computers are: number 1, in the fourth generation computers, the LSI large scale integration and VLSI very large scale integration techniques were used. Number 2, smaller, faster, and cheaper than the previous generations of computers. Number 3, consumed lesser power. Question number 3, who introduced the concept of punch card? Answer. Joseph Marie Jacquot, French Weber, introduced the concept of punch card. Question number 4, describe any two characteristics and limitations of computers. Answer. The two characteristics of computers are: number 1, speed. As we know, computers can work very fast. It takes only few seconds for calculations that we take hours to complete. Number 2, storage. The computer has an inbuilt memory where it can store a large amount of data. The two limitations of computers are: number 1, computers has no learning power. Computers cannot perform the task without instructions. Number 2, lack of feelings is another limitation of computers. It does not have emotions, feelings, knowledge, etc.